Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? So, what's going on? Cardano is totally starting very fastly growing off, and they take a jumping like a rocket. They gone. So, congratulations, my Cardano Adda holder. Today video is going very special for Cardano holder. So, let's get started this price prediction of Cardano. But before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just click on the subscribe button, then I update you every good or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is good channel for you if you have a crypto holder. Okay, I hope you subscribe it. Thanks for subscription, and welcome to ABS Tech channel. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you the last one day, the last 24-hour chart. As you can see here, the chart result, first of all, they gone like rocket, and absolutely totally gone and positive, gone like a rocket. You can see here the Chinese and positive plus 3.58% gone up. So first of all, this is good to you, is this starting a positive, because in a few days, before a few days, they totally gone a negative. They give us very negative, very bad result. But I think, I don't know how is it possible to they start growing in those days. Why? If anybody you have all, or you see the all other cryptocurrencies result, then absolutely totally all cryptocurrencies in those days goes down. But Cardano is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Everybody knows that Cardano is very fastest cryptocurrency, and this time, if you can see here, they totally goes up like a rocket. So let's check out last 3 days result to what's going on in the last 3 days result, because this is very important to see everybody. If you can see here, they just jump, they just take this time jump. You can see here they totally gone straight, but again they take a big very big jump. So this is very good for Cardano holders. Cardano holder, congratulations, my brother. But again they take a very big dumps also, and gone straight, and today they gone like a rocket. So this is very big good news for Cardano holders. I hope you enjoy this news. This is very good news for you. So let's check out the last 1 hour into what's going on in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the last 1 hour is totally a negative, and this is the night time. I hope at the mid of this is in the morning, and at the mid of this day, I hope they cross at just this starting in positive, the result change in positive. So this is good news if they change in the positive. I update you every good news if is upcoming. Okay, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe. See you next time, guys. Allah Hafiz. Hope you enjoyed this video.